Your generous donations support daily military work. Congratulate, we appreciate it. Thank you. Enjoy your ride.
Is this one coal powered or get oil?
It's oil powered.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
And it's basically right now just turned way down for in the station. Holding you just almost operating pressure basically.
Wow. That's so neat.
And just like the real things, they take a lot of oil everywhere.
Yeah.
Well, I shouldn't say real thing. It is the real thing, just scale. But a lot of maintenance.
Yeah, that's what I've heard, so I definitely want to be on a steam-powered one.
But it's
Nothing like them.
a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, mine's electric. I don't have a steam
Oh yeah.
yet. I say yet, because I will.
Just looking at them, it looks like you can, I mean, you could pretty much build one in your garage. Yeah.
That's a neat little mogul, I'll tell you that.
Yeah.
As long as you've got,
Neat little mogul. Got to keep boiling them all the time.
you know, as long as you've got machines, if you take the machine shop, because you have to machine out all of the cylinder assemblies.
You got to keep these babies oiling, I'll tell you.
Yeah.
Making parts isn't fun.
Nah.
No. Yeah, there's something else. I'd have steam, but what I ran into was an electric that had to be refurbished. So I got 4 big batteries in it. It's a big, heavy son of a bump. It's 4884.
Wow.
It's a Milwaukee Road, Little Joe. It used to run out here. He ran it out here for 4 decades.
Wow.
So
It's a lot of hours.
it'll all be new though when I get done with it. 15 grand later, why we'll be running back here again.
Nice.
Oh crap, my paint cost $150.
Oh wow.
Sheet metal work that I had to have done on it. Oh man. I had to take it to a professional shop. 4,300 later. Wife was about ready to croak.
Yeah, I bet.
She said that was another trip on the Royal Caribbean. Well, we've had 4 of them, so just, you know.
Hey, it's for the kids.
Yeah, we don't have any kids. That's the problem. Yeah, this kid here, she says, will you ever grow up? I don't think so. I never had anything as a kid. Kicked the dog, kicked the can. I don't know. Never had anything.
Yeah.
It's really something how it takes years before you get a nice home. Or you get, you know, we have a home like my parents never had. We have cars that my parents never had. Now into this train stuff. This isn't the only thing. I used to do kite flying. I was doing surfing.
Oh wow. Looks like our train.
Foil, kite foil.
Oh really?
Quad line. Oh man. Can't do it now because I got glasses, you know.
Oh, I lost my seat.
10 years ago, if you'd have told me I would be in this, I'd say you were nuts. This is impossible. I got a contractor friend that started with me, but he's kind of bombed out right now. He's not giving me any money. Uh-oh. Minor detail.
Yeah.
It's all about money.
Yeah.
Those are tight times, too.
Uh-huh.
It's amazing the people we get out here.
I bet. We get all types.
Hundreds.
That oil or the kerosene?
Yeah, fuel oil. We can burn diesel, kerosene, stove oil.
way.
The first one. 0 is going to be the red train. That will be all.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. I'm going to pull forward up here, so if you want to, well, if you want to shoot it moving.
Oh, okay, yeah.
We're going to put it up in front.
Thank you.